Just look at the drama as it unfolds. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.
They like seafood, they like pasta.
Yes.
They like all that nice creamy goodness,
Yeah.
especially a nice Alfredo. So we have all these options available tonight, including, and it's not just the salads, it's not just on the main seafood line, but we also have Italian-inspired desserts,
Okay.
cannolis, and you know, different
Oh,
items.
cannoli.
Now, this is every Wednesday night, right?
Every Wednesday night. Every
Okay.
Wednesday night we focus on the Italian buffet.
Okay,
Yeah.
beautiful.
I mean, we change up all the other buffets, but we stick true to the Italian buffet.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just going to show you one.
I'm gonna go to the back of you here. Yeah.
So we have like our spaghetti vongole there. So it's a nice spaghetti mixed with clams. We have our Caesar salad, fresh greens. We have our red beet and potato salad,
Yeah.
which is, I mean, the colors in it is just
Yeah.
fantastic.
That's the
eggplant,
red beet
tomato.
and
Eggplants there.
Yeah.
Coming a little
red beet
further
potato
down.
salad.
Broccoli.
Broccolini, egg, and tomato there, right?
Yeah.
This one is an apple?
Apple salad.
Apple
Green
pear
apple.
salad.
Amazing.
We got some grilled eggplants and all that there. Broccolini. Hey, we just spoke of broccolini, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Actually, on the way here, we were talking about broccolini.
A nice cousin to broccoli.
Yeah.
Our first two live stations.
Okay.
On this station, Chef Lionel is doing our pasta items.
Okay.
Right? There are 3 different pasta types you can choose from.
Yeah, and you pick all
including
of
penne or linguine, whichever you like. And then you can choose the type of sauce you'd like to have it in. So with that, you can choose between the marinara, our pesto sauce, or even the Alfredo cream.
Yeah.
You can add chicken bits to it. There's a lot of different vegetables you can add to customize and make it your own. As you can see, he's making a penne right now.
And then you can choose all of your ingredients right over here.
Like over here, you can add spinach, you can add mushrooms, tomatoes, bell pepper.
So basically, you choose the ingredients you want to have. You choose the type of pasta you want, the type of sauce that you want. So basically, these are the ingredients here. So you choose your pasta type. In this case, it's rigatoni. So over there, we see we have like bell peppers. No, bell peppers over here. We got tomato, mushroom, spinach, olives, corn. We got the marinara sauce. We've got a pesto sauce here. Different types of pasta, as I said. 2 stations. And then we've got a broccoli and cheese soup here. Which one is this? A seafood.
Spicy seafood.
I had this the last time I was here. And I remember how beautiful. Look at that. Let me call you a little closer. Look at that. And see what I saw there already? You saw
That's shrimp,
calamari,
clams, mussels, and calamari.
shrimp, clams,
Mussels and
calamari.
calamari.
Yeah, calamari and mussels. This is the second sort of station that they've got, and it's the live seafood station. So it's got mussels, clams, shrimp, and calamari. And as the tour continues down to the back here, sorry, we've got sushi to the right, so an assortment of different sushis. Then on to the left, this is the dessert side of things. So we got flan. Oh, look at that. We've got eggless raspberry cake, some coconut tiramisu. Beautifully displayed. And of course, since I cannot have sugar, I'm down to eating fruit. Oh, What is that? I've never had this before. What is in this one exactly?
It's a Zabaglione. It's an Italian custard and it's masala wine.
Really? I've had masala wine on chicken. On chicken. I've never had it in dessert.
Well, it's traditionally served in both tiramisu as well as Zabaglione.
Oh, it is. Okay, thank you. Which is the top from a patron standpoint? Which one do you find?
Well, so far, based on this buffet from guests, they really like
Cannolis.
the cannolis. A Trini favorite is always
Flan.
Always and cheesecake.
I've had some terrible cheesecake here. I must admit it. I've had not here, not at Crave, but in Trinidad.
Well, we'll put those down to rest today.
But we got to be quiet. Doctor cannot find out. Remember that. Thank you.
So today we're gonna feature our King Crave. A nice effervescent mix of cognac.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna be using Hennessy. That is being mixed with peach schnapps, amaretto, and Portugal juice to give it that Caribbean flavor. But
Nice.
we call this our own because this is our really eccentric drink. This drink is smoked. This drink comes out in our smoke box. We're
Yeah.
actually one of the only in the Caribbean, I would boast and say, that are actually doing the smoke box and bringing out this to your table and giving you that full experience.
Yeah.
So it really is infused with that smoke. Yeah. So this is what I'm going to be making for you now. Right? We're going to be making and serving into our nice brandy snifter because of course we're doing cognac, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So let me start first. Leave this chilling a little bit.
So what Sylvester is doing is chilling the sifter just to bring up the temperature of the glass itself.
So, like I said, we're going to do a little bit of the Hennessy.
Oh, we got some Hennessy going on.
You know, there's always a party when there's Hennessy.
Oh, you know it. Oh, sorry.
Let's move back. Come on.
Right? And of course, peach schnapps.
Peach.
That takes away some of the smokiness, that's all bit of the sweet element.
Yeah. So by using the peach snap, do you still have to use a simple syrup or anything? No, right? That takes
Because
place of
peach
it.
schnapps already has a sweetness in it, as well as the amaretto.
The amaretto as well, yeah.
Amaretto, very sweet, yeah.
So far we have the Hennessy, the peach snaps, and the amaretto.
And now to this, we add our Portugal juice. Just gonna do it quickly.
And Portugal juice is a local, sort of like a mandarin orange kind of thing that is freshly made here.
We get all fresh juice delivered from our suppliers. So there's no concentrate or anything like that.
So this is freshly squeezed.
It's fresh juice.
Nice.
And that's always important in
Yeah.
the cocktail. Right? Right, so to this. Give a quick shake.
Yeah.
That's it. That was just the all the flavors together.
You didn't notice we have the ice in the glass to chill the glass.
So now the glass is chilled. We put fresh ice over it. We pour over fresh ice.
Ice. And then voila. Ooh, that looks mighty good.
And it's always good when you get that perfect pour.
Oh,
It is,
yeah.
eh? What's it saying? You got dead pour?
So we garnish this with a nice orange on top.
And that there is local orange. We call it a little bit different than the stuff you get in North America.
And now we're gonna do the favorite part of the drink.
Smoking.
The smoky
We're gonna smoke this drink now.
Now we're gonna smoke. All right, what do we got here?
Right? So we get our smoke box out. And place them inside the chamber. We're all hooked up.
Basically, we can smoke this drink now.
I can already smell it.
Yeah?
And you haven't even lit it.
Just get enough smoke in there to make sure the drink disappears and then it gets into it.
Yep. And voila.
And this
It's my cocktail.
is your smoking king.
You, sir. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy it cooked.
A
Something
little
around
bit
like
sweeter.
medium,
Yeah.
So this one is done with Malibu. It also has the blue curacao, banana schnapps, and pineapple to bring it all together. So it's like a pina colada meets Mai Tai.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. And that is our
It's kind of girly,
kind of.
which means I'll be drinking it.
Had I known, I would never had them garnish it with a pink
Umbrella. And what is it called again, sorry?
Crave Kiss.
This is the Crave Kiss. Let me do a little spinny here.
beautiful. It looks
It's
so
beautiful,
nice.
man.
Yeah.
And this is the one you saw us make over there. So we're starting off with the broccoli and cheddar soup here. But Iman went with the spicy seafood soup, which is there. Just gonna cover it up now. Solid vegetables. The lighting isn't the greatest right now. Oh, there we go. We're just using the wrong hand, so we've got the Italian vegetables here. And as we move down, this is it's like a fish gratin. Nice and cheesy. And here we've got chicken marsala. Oh, Milanese, sorry. Eggplant ruscuta. Then the sriracha, vegetable shrimp sriracha. What do we got here?
Saffron rice.
Saffron rice and the vegetables.
Grilled Cajun vegetables. Grilled Cajun.
Wonderful. So we've got some mushrooms. We've got some bell peppers diced. Some spinach, obviously. A little bit of red onions as well with this. And that is a garlic butter that's going into that. So Chef went in with the garlic butter. And I'm gonna finish off with some tomato and some black olives, I believe. We got calamari, we got shrimp, we got mussels over here. And here we've got the well, they say clams, but yeah, I guess it could be clams. It's a little bit different than the clams that I'm accustomed to. Sorry. Wonderful, thank you. So I started off, as you guys saw there, I got distracted by, I met a friend there, so I had to pause for the cause to salutations and all kind of thing like that, but look at this thing. Oh gosh. I think this looking sexy for Spike. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning.
I'm gonna
Well, I
have to
can't
do
take
Wow.
all the credit for it.
Oh,
Mr.
no,
Jackson
you
did
can't.
something.
Just say this something.
Oh my god.
That's what they did some of the work, but you know, I can't
Just
take all the
a
credit.
tad.
Wow. That is so
We've got
gorgeous.
this is going to be on the menu sooner or later. We've got the opportunity here to try the sashimi, correct? The sashimi platter.
Oh, and
So on this sashimi platter, we have our red tuna.
this
we
is not
also-
available.
It is
Quite
not available yet.
not
But
available
it is
yet.
going to be available
So
very
folks,
soon as
yes.
we're expanding our sushi line.
yes.
Yeah? So
And
pretty soon we'll be
I'm
able to
sorry,
have
but
sashimi, nigiri,
dang.
inclusive of our very lovely rolls as the guests come to know it so far. So I'm telling you what you have right now. You would have your salmon there as well. And flanking around it to make and finish the rolls is our hamachi.
Hamachi.
That is absolutely beautiful. Oh
So-
my gosh.
Do you enjoy?
Yes, I'm gonna enjoy.
Spicy tuna temaki.
Oh, the hand rolls. Oh my goodness.
We've got the tuna tamaki and we've got the California rolls that just came to the table. And again, folks, you gotta check out Krave in San Fernando, Tarouba Road. Sooner or later, these will show up on the menu. They're just fine-tuning the menu right now just to bring you guys excellence as they're typically known for.
What do you have?
So I ended up here with the pisco, which
You
is
have like a margarita.
made out of
You
grapes.
have like
have
the
red
best
Peru.
margarita ever.
And this
Like
drink
a
here,
salted
We
rim.
have what it's, we have what
With
it's
the
called.
salted rim.
exclusive to Krave. So if you down here you want to try, I would highly recommend
Okay.
it.
No, the
Now,
Millennium
I'm a
Margarita is
rum
really
drinker,
good.
but there's such a smooth finish to this pisco as well.
Okay.
You can get it shaken in ice, or as in my
Patron,
case here,
right?
I have it
Also
here
has a
in
tetragram Maggi.
ice, on ice.
And the
So first time having pisco
Yeah.
out of Peru, exclusive to Krave.
And then salted.
Let's give it a try. Yeah?
Always.
Krave, another night, another awesome dining experience. We're down here in South Trinidad as usual. Thank you so much, Krave, for having us, for giving us that sneak peek. Sushi. That sushi is gonna be killer. Trust me on that one.